Welcome guys to my YouTube channel Avoid Man. So this is a tutorial regarding the cropping the image in Python using the Pillow library. So here what we are doing that we are removing some specific part of the image by using the Pillow library function. So as an example we can see on the screen like we are removing some this part of the image and generating the new image as follow. So we are going to see the two different approaches for this. So this is the first approach. So let's see the code. So for this task we are using the Pillow library. So first we have to install the Pillow library, then import the library from which we are using the image and ImageDraw classes. Okay, then for the uploading the image from our local machine, we are using the files class from Google collab library. So the syntax for is like from google.collab import files. Then we have to choose the file. So we chose the image. After that we are creating the variable for that image, img. So we have to copy its path and paste here. After that we can see that image is loaded. Let's run it. As we can see the image now img refers to that image we have uploaded. To get its dimension in pixel, we use the image.width and image.height functions. So for removing this specific part, what actually we are doing, we are dividing this image into three different parts. The first one is this left top, right top and bottom right part, and we are generating some new same dimension blank image and pasting these three parts on the new image, and automatically this removes the left bottom part. So for creating uh, the particular left top, right top and right bottom quarter, we are using the crop function which accepts the tuple as parameter. In each tuple there are four integers given. The first two refers to the left, this is left top coordinate of the quarter image, and the second two are the bottom right coordinate. Accordingly we are generating the three different images. So here we can see the sorry now we can see the left top image generated. This is right top, this is the right bottom image. So after that we are creating the one new blank images of the same size w and h, this is width and height, which are equal to of that original image. G dot height. Now let's see the new blank images created. After that we are pasting these three images in this blank image. For that we are using the paste operation which accepts the two parameters. First one is the image name we have to paste, and second one is the top left coordinate in this blank image where we are pasting these images. Okay, so after pasting the three images, let's see the final image. So this is our output. For to save this output image we are using the save operation, and the result is saved in this by this name. We can see here. For downloading this to our local machine we can download it. So this is our first approach. In the next video we will see the next approach for this same task. Thank you.